Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to design this type of pole, and then we will create a path plate of this ring with the pole, and then we will attach this spring with this ring, and at the end we will create a simple animation of this whole design. So keep watching this video till end.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
So let's start. First of all, we will design a pole. So for that, click on new and then double click on this part button. From here on the left side, click on front plane and then sketch on it. Now draw a line. Press escape button and then draw 3-point arc. Start it from here. Now draw another line. Press escape button. Now define the dimensions. This length is 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 feet. This radius is 1 feet and this length is 4 inch. Press escape button and then press and hold Control key from your keyboard. Select this line and this arc. Make their relation tangent. Similarly, for both of these arc and line, the relation is tangent. Our sketch is now fully defined. Press this button to save and exit from sketch. Now again sketch on this top plane. Make normal to and draw 2 circles. Now define them. The diameter for outer circle is 3 inch and the distance between both of these circles is 5 millimeter. Now go to Features tab and then apply Swept Boss Base command. Select this circle as a profile and then select this line as our path. Press OK button to save or apply this command. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a circle and define it by smart dimensions. The diameter of this circle is 170 millimeter. Now go to Features tab and apply Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 10 millimeter and press OK button in this direction. So save this part, pole. Now start from new part again, and at this time we are going to design the bed or base. Draw a rectangle, define it 1 feet and 8 inch. Draw a circle, define it 3 inch. Press and hold Control key from your keyboard. Select this midpoint and then this origin of circle. Make their relation horizontal. Now go to Features tab again and then apply Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 2 inch. Press this button to apply this command. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a rectangle. Now define it 10 millimeter and this distance is 50 millimeter. Press and hold control key, select this midpoint and then this midpoint. Make their relation horizontal. Again, select smart dimensions and then select this midpoint, then the origin of circle. The distance between origin of circle and this midpoint is 6 inch. Go to Features tab and apply Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 50 millimeter. Press OK button. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a circle. Define the circle diameter, which is 20 millimeter. Select this origin and then this midpoint. Make their relation vertical. Go to Features tab and apply Extruded Cut command. Press OK button. Now save this part. Base. Again start from a new part, and at this time we are going to design ring. So sketch on front plane and draw two circles again. Define the diameter of inner circle, which is 7-8 millimeter, and the distance between both of these circles is 3 millimeter. Press OK button and then go to Features tab and apply Extruded Boss Base command. Extrusion thickness is 40 millimeter. Press OK button. Now we have to create a new plane. For that, go to Features tab and then click on this reference geometry and then select plane. Drop down these options and then select top plane as first reference, and the distance between both of these planes is 70 millimeter. Press OK button. Now click on this new plane 1 and then sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a rectangle. Now draw a center line and start it from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now click on this center line and make its relation horizontal. Now select this origin and then this midpoint, make their relation vertical. Define the distance. This length is 10 millimeter and this length is 40 millimeter. Go to Features tab and then select Extruded Boss Base command. Now click on this face. Press OK button. Click on this plane 1 and then hide it. Now select this face and sketch on it. Make normal to and draw a circle. Define it. 20 millimeter is the diameter. Select this origin and then this origin. Make their relation vertical. Now go to Features tab and apply Extruded Cut command. Press OK button. Now save this part. Ring. So all parts are ready. Now we have to assemble these parts. So start from assembly. First of all, import the base in the assembly. Then pole and then ring. Now click on this cylindrical face of base and select mate. Now select this cylindrical face of pole and lock the rotation. Press OK button. Now select this face of base and then this face of pole. Press OK button. Again press OK button. We are going to move this ring on this pole. So for that we will create a path made. In the path mate, what we need as our references, let's see. Click on mate and then scroll down, then select advanced mates and select path mate. Scroll up. First of all, it will need component vortex and then the path. So if you drop down these pole options, then again drop down swept and then select sketch 1, unhide it. So this line is our path, and for component vortex, click on this part or ring and then open it in a new window. Now click on reference geometry and then select axis. Select this cylindrical face and press OK button. Now go to sketch tab and then click on this arrow below the sketch button and then select 3D sketch. Select the point, drop one point on the origin and the second point on the axis. Now define the distance between this point up to this point for 0 millimeter. Press this button to save and exit from sketch. So these 2 points are our component vortex. Go to assembly again. Now click on path mate and then scroll down from advanced mates. Select path mate. Now select one point and then the path. Click on selection manager and then select this open loop. Select this line. Make sure all the path is selected. Press OK button. From here press again OK button. We press OK button and see what's happening. So the ring is hidden inside this base, so hide it. Unhide the base again and see it is moving on the path, but it is not aligned with the pole. So we need to create one more path mate for this point with this path. Again go to mate, scroll down and from here in advanced mates select path mate. Now select this point as component vortex and then select selection manager, open loop and select this line. Press OK button and again press OK button. Now our path mate is fully defined. Let's verify. So it is stopped at this position and again stopped at this position. Now one thing more which needs to be done is that if you see this ring is not aligned with this hook, so for that press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard, select this edge and then select this face. Release the Ctrl key and then select parallel. Now it is okay. Now we have to create the spring between this hook and this hook. So for that, go to sketch tab, click on this arrow below the sketch button and then select 3D sketch and draw a line. Start it from this origin up to this origin. Press escape button, then press this button to save and exit from sketch. So if we move this ring, then press rebuild button here. So it is working. Now the next step, but before going ahead, hide this path or curve. also hide these points. Now we can design a spring in the assembly. So for that, click on this arrow below the insert component button and then select new part. Select this face. Now make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard and then draw a circle and define it. 5 millimeter. Select this origin of circle and then this point. Make their relation horizontal. Now define the distance 20 millimeter. Press this button to save and exit from sketch. Now again go to sketch tab and then click on this arrow below the sketch button and select 3D sketch. Now select this line and then press this button convert entities. Go to features tab and apply swept boss base command. So select the profile. This is our profile and this is our path. So to resolve this error, close or cancel the swept command and then click on this 3D sketch and hide it. So this 3D sketch from this new part will be our path. So now you can apply swept boss base command. Select this circle as profile and then this sketch or this line as our path. If you are unable to select this line, you can also select it by dropping down these options and then go to this new part 5 and from here select 3D sketch 1. Now drop down these options and from here select specify twist value. In the twist control, select revolutions and type the revolutions 50. Press OK button. Now press this button to save this part. Now try to move this ring. Press rebuild button from here. So if you want to edit the number of revolutions, you can also go to this swept of part 5. Click on swept or sweep 1 and edit it. Save the assembly. Change the number of revolutions. 15. Press OK button. Now press this button to save this part. Press this button to rebuild. Now change the appearance of all parts. Now I am going to create its simple motion study. So for that, click on this button motion study and then select spring. Scroll down and the type is linear spring and then click on this box to select endpoints of spring. This is first endpoint and this is the second endpoint. Scroll down again and type here the spring constant value. I have 4 pounds per feet So convert it by using this converter into Newton per millimeter and then paste it in this box. Again scroll down and in this box type the diameter of coil or diameter of spring and type here the number of coils and then the diameter of wire, which is 5 millimeter. Scroll down and click on this box to select the load bearing faces. So we have these three faces and then press OK button. Now drag the seek bar to this point and then drag this ring to this position. Press this button to rebuild and then calculate. Now to save this animation as AVI file in your computer, press this button and then select the aspect ratio from here 16:9. Name the animation. Click save. Again press OK button. Press yes. All done. Now go to that folder where you had saved this animation. So play this animation to check. So that's okay. How did you find this video? Please write me in comments. Thanks for watching and sparing time. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.